Yes. In last class, we discussed about the algebraic identities, and in that we discussed the total 4 identities. Can we recall all the 4 identities once? Okay, I gave 3 main questions as homework. I think everyone have finished that homework part now. So no other doubt. Whoever having doubt, they have sent the message yesterday. So I think everybody's doubts is clear. I think very simple exercise it is. Actually, so now I want to know what are all the identities that we discussed yesterday. So who is ready to give the answer? Ambika. Yes, Ambika. Can you tell me the identity one fast?
X plus y whole is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square.
Very good. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Yes, next. Yes, next. Diksh, Chaya, second identity. Yes, Chaya, second identity. हाँ,
Is equal to
हाँ.
minus 1.
It is not clear, Chaya. It's okay. Identity 2 is x minus y whole square, which is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So now, Shreyas Shanbag. Shreyas. Yes, identity 3.
X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y.
Yes, very good. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Next row, which is the fourth one? Rishi, fourth identity. Rishi, are you there? Rishi. Yes, Tanvi.
Yes, Mataji.
Fourth identity, Tanvi.
X plus b is equal to x square plus xa plus b plus ab.
X plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So this is about the fourth identity. So today we are going to discuss new identities that I'll share the page for you. Yes. See, we have new identities today. Today we are going to learn new identities. So it is visible, no? So that is identity 5, fifth identity. Today we are going to discuss the fifth identity. So fifth identity is x plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus z whole square. So first I'll explain this concept on the blackboard. Then I'll go to the page part. Stop sharing. See, identity, fifth identity. So we are going to discuss fifth identity. So I think board is visible now. If board is not visible, you have to send me the message. Okay. So I think now it is visible. Okay. See, identity, fifth identity, that is x plus y plus z whole square. So x plus y plus z whole square. What is the expansion of this x plus y plus z whole square? So first of all, what it indicates actually, x plus y plus z whole square, in the sense x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. That x plus y plus z, one trinomial is there, no? It is multiplied by the same x plus y plus z by 2 times. So we can write this as x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. Can we write like this? Yes. X plus y plus z whole square, which is equal to x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. Now you are observing, so trinomial into trinomial, just a multiplication of this trinomial into this trinomial. While multiplying, many students they will do one mistake. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ x ನ ಈ x ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, then y ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, z ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ z ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. So this is not that type of multiplication. Trinomial into trinomial multiplication in the sense every term must be multiplied with the each and every terms. Okay, shake hand multiplication. Okay, so x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. This x must be multiplied with x, y, z. Then y again multiplied by x into y. Okay, x, y, z. Then again z, x, y, z. So this is actually multiplication. So we will start the multiplication now. First we will start with x. X into x, that is x square. Plus, again we will first finish the work of x only. X into y, that is xy. Plus x into z, that is xz. Now x work is over. Okay, now come to second one, that is y place. Y into x is yx. Plus y into y is y square. Then y into z is yz. Is that clear, students? Okay, next we'll come to z. Z into x is zx. Plus z into y is zy. Plus z into z is z square. So multiplication is clear, no? So x into xyz, x in y into x plus y plus z, then again z into x plus y plus z. So next step. So group this here, x square. Take as it is, no other friends for x square like terms. Then xy, here yx. Xy and yx both are same, right? So xy plus yx, any other term for xy? No other term. Xy plus xy is 2xy. Plus next xz. Xz, here you have zx. Xz and zx are same, no? So that is 2zx. 2zx. Next to xy over xz over yx over, take this y square as it is. So next plus yz zy. So 2yz. Yz is over, zy is over. Plus z square. Got the idea? So what we did in the next step, no? So in this step, actually we apply the addition for like terms. Okay, like terms. Now we have to arrange. Everything is over. So now x square 2xy 2zx, y square 2yz, z square, no other like terms. Just remaining work is we have to arrange. How to arrange this one? This power x square, then take the same power term y square, then take the another one z square one side, then 2xy plus 2yz next, plus 2zx. This is the standard form. Okay, na? So this is the expansion of x plus y plus z whole square. So how you got the expansion of x plus y plus z whole square? That is x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z. So you got the expansion as x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So this is the expansion of x plus y plus z whole square. Okay, now we'll see the same expansion in the page. Okay, see here, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, this is the expansion. This is called as fifth identity. Here same thing what I explained on the board, no? So that is here x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z, just a multiplication. Then after arrangement you will get x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So for which type of problem we have to apply this identity? If the problem is in a trinomial form with the power 2. Okay, so that is one question. We will see the one question here. 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square. Right? 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square in expanded form. So now it is clear, no? This is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. Okay, trinomial, 3 terms. Okay, so x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Where in place of x what is there? 3a. In place of x 3a is there. In place of y 4b. In place of z 5c. Next step we have to substitute x, y, z in the identity. That is 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square is equal to 3a whole square, that is x square, plus y square in the sense 4b whole square, then 5c whole square plus 2xy, 2 into x is 3a into 4b plus 2 into yz, y is 4b, z is 5c, then plus 2 into z is 5c, x is 3a. So actually problems are very simple, but while substituting the values x, y, z, you have to be very careful because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2xy, 2yz, 2zx ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so don't be confused. X, y, z properly you have to substitute. Okay, so now in the next step 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square is equal to 3a whole square in the sense 3a into 3a, that is so 9a square, 3 3s are 9, then 4b whole square is 16b square, then 5c whole square is 25c square. Next here just multiplication. First multiply these numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, a into b is ab, 24ab plus here 4 2s are 8, okay, 8 5s are 40, b into c is bc, then 2 into 5 10, 10 3s are 30, a into c is ac. So this is the expansion of 3a plus 4b plus 5c whole square, that is 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square plus 24ab plus 40bc plus 30ac. So now look at the second question. Here we have 4a minus 2b minus 3c. So what we have to do for this? Can we use the same identity, fifth identity? Yes, of course, we can use the fifth identity only. But while writing this y and z value, we have to take the values of negative sign. So while taking y, x, y, z actually, but the identity is in the form of plus sign, x plus y plus z whole square ಇದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, same identity we have to use, x plus y plus z whole square. So expansion is this one. While choosing x 4a, same with the positive sign. Y, while writing y, we have to write it as minus 2b. Then z is equal to minus 3c. Now use the same identity, substitute x, y and z in the place. That is 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square is equal to 4a square plus of minus 2b whole square plus of minus 3c whole square plus 2 into x value is 4a into, so y value is minus 2b. ಈ ತರ plus minus ಬರಲಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Plus 2 into y place ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 2b, next z place minus 3c, then plus 2 into, in place of z we have to take minus 3c, then x is 4a. Next step is 4a square. So 4a square is 16a square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ minus 2b square, here it is even number, then it is of course it is a positive sign only. 2b whole square in the sense 4b square minus 3c whole square, then it is plus 9c square. Now plus here minus, plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, a into b is ab, 16ab. Then here minus into minus, plus, plus into plus, plus, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12bc. Okay, next here, so only two signs, that is plus into minus, minus. So 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. A into C is AC, 24 AC. So the expansion is 16A square plus 4B square plus 9C square minus 16AB plus 12BC minus 24AC. Got the idea of this type of problem, no? Yes, we'll go to next one. Yes. See here, we have, yesterday we discussed no factorization using the identity. So here we have factorize 4x square. 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Okay, so by looking this expansion only you can guess which identity form it is. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So you can ask the doubt. So what doubt? So Mataji, here it is negative sign, no? But we have identity as x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx plus. So I told, no, some x or y or z term, if it is negative, then you will get the negative sign also in the expression. But the expression is, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx only. This is in the form of that only. Now we have to guess x value, y value and z value, because in the factorization, so whatever we have the expansion form, no, here you can observe. So this is given actually. So problems only factorization only, this one will be given. So what we have to write this side, this is the answer for our question. Factors you have to write in this form, x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z form only you have to write the factors. Then you have to guess x value, y value, z value. It is not so difficult topic, but here we have negative sign. That's why you have to be very careful while choosing x, y and z. Okay. So now come to this. 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Next, first come to this one. X square place alli 4x square ide. Can we write it as 2x whole square? So 4x square andre 2 the square adu. So that's why 2x whole square, x place decided. Then y square place al y square irodrinda y place y only. But they took it as minus. Who told that? So how can we recognize this one is minus? Later we'll discuss. Okay na? So y irodrinda y square antane ide, but minus y square anta barkondidare. Then z square place allu yavade number illa 1 ide, andre 1 in square root 1 e agirutte. So 1 z whole square. So here 2x whole square plus of minus y square plus z whole square. So plus 2 into, now you can substitute the formula identity 2xy, x value 2x, y value minus y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, plus 2 into y value is minus y, z value is z only, plus 2 into 2x into z. How they recognize that y value is negative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಈ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2xy ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. 2 into x into y, ಐದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ವೈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 into y into z. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 2 into y into z ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಐದರ್ y ಆರ್ z. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕೋಯ್ತು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಝಡ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಝಡ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ y ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ y ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅಂಡ್ z ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಝಡ್ ನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಝಡ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಝಡ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂತು, ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಝಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -2x² ದೆನ್ -z² ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಝಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ದಟ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ -y ಪ್ಲಸ್ z² ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 2x y ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, -y plus z whole square. So the factors are 2x minus y plus z into 2x minus y plus z. So these are the factors, 2x minus y plus z, 2x minus y plus z. See, we are discussing now why this is minus, because here ಮೈನಸ್ y ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ y ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಕಾಗ್ನೈಸ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ now, only 1 minute time. So if you are having any confusion regarding this identity, you can ask now. Otherwise, I'll go to the next identity. Okay. So do you have any confusion regarding this identity, students? You can send the messages fast. No doubts. Okay, Aryan, no doubt. In the factorization part, that the formula substitution is very simple. Expansion is very simple. But factorizing fact, okay, no doubts, Mataji. Okay, so no doubts, no doubts, no doubts. So then, can we continue for the next identity? We learn 2 more identity. Okay, so in this class, we want to learn 2 more identities. This is identity 5, 5th identity. Now I'll go to 6th identity. Okay, so no doubts. Okay, all are sending the messages that no doubts. Okay, students, I'll go to the next identity. We'll discuss the next identity, students. Okay, afterwards I'll share the page. Now we'll use the board for the next identity, that is 6th identity. 6th identity is x plus y whole cube. Students, so you already know that x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So today we are going to learn x plus y whole cube. Okay, so x plus y whole cube in the sense, if in your class same numbers, same name student, for example, who is there in your class same name? I think some students are there, no? Same name, Aditya or something. We'll ask. Abhiram.
ಎಸ್ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
ಎಸ್, ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇರೋರು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಪ್ರಣವ್, ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ.
ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ, ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ, ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಭಟ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ.
ಯಾರು?
ಆದಿತ್ಯ
3 ಜನ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ?
7th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎನ್.ಸಿ, ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಬಿ, ಆದಿತ್ಯ.
ಓಕೆ, ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. So 3 Adityas, Aditya cube alla, but this year only square is highest in your class. Okay, so cubes, just simply I took that example. Okay, see, x plus y whole cube in the sense what we have to do this one. So x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. X plus y is multiplied by itself by 2 times x plus y, x plus y, x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. So this is x plus y whole cube. Now what we have to do, take 1 x plus y as it is, constant. Okay, keep 1 x plus y as it is. Now you just observe. Yes, Abhiram.
मच्छी आकाश जोगी आकाश कामत आकाश महालय
Oh, this year also.
अस्मदि
Okay, Akash Jogi, Akash Kamath, Akash Mahale. Okay, yes, cube. Same numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಆಕಾಶ್ ಜೋಗಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಸೊ one number is multiplied by itself by 3 times. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. x plus y ಅನ್ನೋದು 3 times multiply ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ x plus y cube, whole cube. So x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. Now keep one x plus y as it is for the next step. Okay. Now this x plus y into x plus y. You all are familiar with this x plus y whole square alva. From the small classes you are learning the formula identity that x plus y whole square. So I'll make this one as x plus y whole square. Is it clear, students? So I'm taking these two as x plus y whole square. I'm keeping one x plus y as it is. Now next step, take this x plus y as it is. Next, what is the expansion of x plus y whole square? So in the last class we discussed, no, we know the expansion of x plus y whole square, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. We are using this identity to derive the identity of x plus y whole cube. Now what we have to do? One binomial multiply by trinomial. Okay, binomial into trinomial. Now we have to do the multiplication step. That is, first we'll start with x into this trinomial, then y into this trinomial. Can we start the multiplication now? X into x square, that is x cube, plus x into 2xy. Very careful. X into 2xy. 2x ಒಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2x square y. 2x square y. Then again plus x into y square, that is xy square. Clear? X term is over. Now take y term. Y into x square, that is yx square. Then y into 2xy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Y into 2xy is 2xy square. Then plus y into y square is y cube. Got the idea of the multiplication now? So x cube plus 2x square y plus xy square plus yx square plus 2xy square plus y cube. Now what we have to do is we have to observe the like terms. X cube, no other like terms for x cube. Now you come to this one, 2x square y. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು x square y ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, x square y. 2x square plus y plus x square y is 3x square y. Okay, next plus xy square, xy square. xy square plus 2xy square, that is 3xy square plus y cube only. So you got the result as x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Okay, so this one also we can take it as an expansion of x plus y whole cube. But so this is little bit difficult for the calculation part. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ modify ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. x cube plus, can we observe something common in this? Are you observing something common in this? What is common? Board clear ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Last ಇದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Okay, see what is common here? 3xy. 3xy. I'll take 3xy outside. Okay, so here one x is extra, x plus here y is extra, plus y cube. So this is the expansion of x plus y whole cube. Is that clear, students? X plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. How you got the result? By writing x plus y whole cube in the form of x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. That is one x plus y you fix for some minutes. Then x plus y into x plus y you write it as x plus y whole square. Then x plus y into the expansion of this x plus y whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square, then multiply this one. Okay, so then after the multiplication, just apply addition operation for the like terms, then arrangement. So x cube plus here you can observe 3xy is common, that is into x plus y plus y cube. So this is the expansion of x plus y whole cube. So got the idea of x plus y whole cube identity, no? So this is called as sixth identity. Now I'll explain seventh identity also, because the same identity with the opposite sign, that is x minus y whole cube. Next identity, seventh identity we are going to discuss, that is x minus y whole cube. Again same procedure you have to follow for that, x minus y whole cube. Okay, so what is that x minus y whole cube? So x minus y into x minus y into x minus y. We have to write this one in the form of x minus y into x minus y into x minus y. Next step, keep x minus y as it is. Next you can take this x minus y into x minus y as x minus y whole square. Clear, no? Yes. Next step, x minus y as it is. You know the expansion of x minus y whole square, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square. So you all know the expansion of x minus y whole square, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now again same step, multiply this x with this bracket and this y with this bracket. So that is, I'll start with x into x square, x cube, x into minus 2xy minus 2x square y, x into y square, that is plus xy square. Next I'll start with minus y into x square minus yx square, minus into minus plus y into 2xy, that is 2xy square, then minus into plus minus y into y square is y cube. Clear? Very careful while multiplying with the negative sign. Clear? Okay, next step. So x cube is no other like terms for x cube. Now minus 2x square y minus x square y. Are you observing the like terms here? Minus 2x square y, then minus x square y, x square y, both are same students, okay? So then minus into minus plus agutte. So we have to add 2 plus 1, 3. So minus idre, minus sign, bigger number sign is minus only, that is 3x square y, minus 3x square y. Next, plus xy square plus 2xy square, that is plus 3xy square, then minus y cube, Okay, now, so actually you can use this one for also identity, okay na? X minus y cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube, but we will write it in the standard form, that is x cube. So now in this, what is common? 3xy, but sign, which sign we have to choose here? Here minus, here plus. So minus 3xy we have to take outside. So minus 3xy outside ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1x extra. Already ಈ sign ಇಂದ minus sign ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus into minus you will get plus here. So minus here y extra minus. Got the idea now? So some students, they will got the question mark in this step, okay? How you got minus 3xy? Minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. I took minus 3xy outside. So that's why x minus y, here minus y. Already plus in the minus ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus into minus plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So x minus y, then minus y cube. So expansion of x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3xy into x minus y minus y cube. So to remember x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube, it is very easy actually. So x plus y whole cube, whatever you are taking, no? So exactly opposite sign for x minus y whole cube. Clear? X plus y whole cube is x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube, and x minus y whole cube is x cube minus 3xy into x minus y minus y cube. So this is about the identity 7, seventh identity. So today we got the idea of the 3 new identities, that is x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Fifth identity. Sixth identity is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. Then seventh identity is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3xy into x minus y minus y cube. Okay, so I'll share page. You just observe. See here, again I don't want to revise this one because now only you got the idea of this verification or derivation part. X plus y whole cube, how you got x plus y whole cube? Here you have, in the same way, here you have the derivation of x minus y whole cube. See here, in the last step, we can arrange the formula in this way also. So x cube plus 3xy into x plus y cube. In this way also you can write, or powers, same powers you can take one side. X cube plus y cube one side plus 3xy into x plus y. That type also you can write. Here also you just observe, in x minus y whole cube, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, is that clear, students? So this is about the total 3 new identities. So if we have time, we'll discuss only 2 problems related to this, then remaining will be we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so now how to apply that x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube, only 2 problems we have, we will discuss that one. Okay, so 3a plus 4b whole cube. So by looking the problem only you can identify it is in the form of x plus y whole cube, that is x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. Now in place of x 3a is there, in place of y 4b. So just to substitute x and y value, that is 3a whole cube plus 3 into 3a into 4b into 3a plus 4b plus 4b whole cube. Now just simplify. 3a whole cube andre 3 times we have to multiply, 3a into 3a into 3a, that is 27a cube. Now here first you multiply this one. Okay, now afterwards you operate that with the bracket. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36ab. Keep this 3a plus 4b as it is. Plus here 4 cube in the sense 64b cube. Next step 27a cube plus, now you multiply. Remove the brackets with the multiplication operation. 36ab into 3a, that is 108a square b, plus 36ab into 4b, that is 144ab square, plus 64b cube as it is. If you want, you can arrange this problem in the form of power, that is 27a cube and 64b cube one side, then 108a square b, 144ab square. So while writing this one a square b, ab square, you have to be careful. Otherwise remaining is very simple. Okay, now come to this part. 5p minus 3q whole cube. 5p minus 3q whole cube, that is x minus y whole cube. X cube minus 3xy into x minus y minus y cube. In place of x 5p and in place of y 3q, substitute that 5p and 3q. Here you will get 5p cube minus 3 into 5p into 3q into 5p minus 3q minus 3q whole cube. Okay, that is 125p cube minus here after this multiplication 45p cube, then 5p minus 3q as it is minus 27q cube. After the next step 125p cube minus here 45p cube into 5p 225p square cube, minus into minus plus, that is 45p cube into 3q, that is 135p cube square minus 27q cube. So this is the expansion of 5p minus 3q whole cube. So is that clear, students? So today we got the idea of 3 new identities. Okay, 5th identity, 6th identity and 7th identity. So based on that identity, see students, one more part we have. Can you work out? You can work out no, that type of problem, that is evaluate the following 104 cube. So 104 cube, how can you solve this type of problem? So yesterday we discussed these type of problems now. Okay, so 1 second students. 104 whole cube, evaluate or without multiplying. Okay, so directly find the product of 104 into 104 into 104, 104 whole cube. So you all know how to work out this type of problem by writing 104 in the form of 100 plus 4 whole cube. Then 100 plus 4, this is in the form of x plus y whole cube. So you got the idea of x plus y whole cube identity, right? That is x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. So in place of x you have to apply 100 and in place of y you have to apply 4. Can you work out these type of problems? So I'll give the homework part today. So homework is 4th main is homework, 5th main is homework, 6th main is homework and 7th main is homework. Up to 7th main. So homework. Okay, total 4 mains homework today. Is that clear, student? 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th main. So this is homework part. So remaining 8, 9, 10, 11 and all tomorrow we'll discuss in the class only. So by tomorrow I think we can finish the syllabus if it is possible. Otherwise day after tomorrow. Okay, so today's homework you have got the idea, no? 4th main, 5th main, 6th main and 7th main. If it is possible, just try to work out the 8th main. 8th main is factorization using this x plus y whole cube identity and x minus y whole cube identity. Is that clear, students? Yes, last 5 minutes is there. So if you want, you can ask any question. Okay, so 4th main, last one hege Mataji. 4th main, last one same, 1 by 4a. In the 4th main, last question you have 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Andre x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 4 ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ, 1 by 4a, y place ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 by 2b, then z place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1. ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. 1 by 4a whole square ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 16a square. Then 1 by 2b whole square ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 4b square. So that type you have to work out. Okay, try to work out that type of problem. Still if you are having any confusion, then tomorrow we will clarify that one. Is that clear, students? Yes. Any doubts? Okay, then we'll end the class. Yes.